Today I'm doing a very simple hot pot for one that will be ready in under 15 minutes. I love hot pots because they're so versatile. You can basically use whatever soup base you like and put in whatever vegetables, noodles, or meat that you want. So first step, I'll get some water boiling. And while I wait for that, I'll prep my bok choy, cut the big pieces a little bit smaller. And then I'll cube my tofu. Basically for hot pots, you want to cut your ingredients into smaller pieces so that they can cook quickly. So I'm using a pre-packaged spicy hot pot soup base. It says to put in 6 cups. I'm only using 3, so we'll save half for next time and use half today. You can also use chicken broth or vegetable broth as your soup base. Sometimes I'll even use water if I'm throwing in a lot of savory ingredients because that will make the water into a soup after it boils. I'll give it a quick stir to dissolve all the paste. So whatever takes the longest to cook, you want to put in first. For the ingredients I have, that's the glass noodles, and then the tofu, and I'll let those cook for about 3 minutes. I like my vegetables a little bit on the soft side, so I'll put in my bok choy now. Okay, so it's been another 2 minutes or so, and my noodles look like they're almost ready. So that means I can put in my beef. I'm using beef that's specifically sliced for hot pots, so this is very thin and it'll cook in less than a minute. If you can't find pre-sliced meat, that's okay. You can always cut the meat yourself, and if it's a little bit thicker, you can just put it in earlier and make sure that it's cooked through. Okay, so my hot pot for one is ready. And you know what? I'm just gonna eat it straight from the pot so I don't even have to do extra dishes. Remember to use a pot holder so you don't burn your table. And if the meat isn't salty enough, just dip it in a little soy sauce and enjoy your dinner. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes, and I'll see you guys in the next video.